I got, get it, AC. Get it, AC. Hey, hey. That shit cool, bun. Shit crazy. I love you. Show the action. Hey guys, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Somebody said something about me and how I say subscribe, so y'all can just go ahead and suck. But also go ahead and follow me on all my social medias at JIMIP_. So go ahead and hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload all my videos. So today I'm bringing you guys another video on I don't know, like adulting, I guess. Somebody basically asked me, they wanted me, actually I'll put her name right here. Hey girl, she wanted me to record a video on finding a job in Atlanta. If you want to see my process and what I go through in order to find jobs here in Atlanta, then make sure you keep on watching, girl. So I don't really have like a step-by-step process or anything like that. Really, let's just say this. When I came here, it was so hard for me to find a job. Like, I don't know what it was, but it just seemed like there was like a ratio of like 400 to one job here. Like, it's like 400 people trying to apply for one job here. It's like the ratio sucks. Basically, I was never good at it, man. But honestly, if you just do your research, you're really gonna find a job. I gotta give my credit to my girl Imani. She helped me find a lot of the jobs here in Atlanta. One website you can go on, which I feel like everybody uses, is Indeed. Indeed has a lot of jobs, a lot of job postings and career fairs and like job fairs. So you definitely need to go on Indeed. Another place is Craigslist. Craigslist is also another place that you can go on and just search like jobs. And baby, just be careful when you go on Craigslist. You don't want to be doing like, you think you're going to be a bartender and they like doing sex slave trades and whatnot. So just be careful about that. But most of the time the jobs are legit. Another thing that I would say is just actually going out and applying like in person. Like, some people really just want to see your face. Like they get thousands and thousands of applications a day, some places. So going out to the places and like applying like in person type of thing, they can put a face to a name. 9 times out of 10 the application is going to go like directly to the person instead of like through an online like application system kind of thing. Another thing that I recommend is calling the place. Like, once you fill out your application, like, I legit fill out applications and I call like right then. Like, I just filled out an application. Can you just let me know, like, you know, when I can hear back? What's good? You know, I'll even lie sometimes and say, yeah, I filled it out a week ago. No, I didn't. I filled it out a second ago. I'm just calling you. And back to like going in person. My homegirl, when she first got down here, we went to like so many times. We went applying for jobs in person, and I want to say 5 of the jobs that I actually applied to in person, I got a call back. Like, it's so much easier when they put a face to the name. So if you're looking to get fast money, I do serving. Like, I feel like serving is like a really good job for somebody that is just looking for fast cash. If you're looking for a serving job, you really gotta go in person, and you gotta be persistent. That's another thing. Like, these people get applied to so much because Atlanta is overpopulated. So when you're going into places, you're not the first person that came in there. You damn sure ain't the last. It's about 20 of y'all that came into the same place today, asking the same questions and saying you're highly qualified, saying you done had all of this experience and this, that, and the third. Girl, bye. But what they like is if you be persistent. So if you call a place and you say you apply, you call the next day, give it about a week, call again. After the week, give it 3 more days, call again, based off of what the last conversation was, and just don't let up. Even if you call, go down there and be like, hey, I was just coming down, trying to see if, you know, y'all were still hiring. I had applied and da-da-da-da. Most of the times, they're either going to tell you like, hey, no, or hold on one second, I'm gonna get my manager, like, we're gonna set you up with something. 2 of the jobs did that. When I was so persistent, when I'm like, hey, yeah, I applied, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, they were like, let's just set you up with an interview now. And I did an interview on the spot and I got the job. I quit though, because I'm a boss. Another thing, especially for like being in your career, I can't really help y'all with that. Only thing I can say is you have to know people down here and be persistent at the same time to get in your like a specific career field. I know with my field you have to know people, and it's really annoying, but that just comes with networking. And another thing, girl, if you don't start lying on that resume, I don't know about y'all, but I lie on my resume. I have different resumes for everything. So I have a resume for like my, like if I want a call center job, I got a resume for my serving jobs. I got a resume for my career that I don't lie on. But everything else, you know, F it. Another thing that I can say when you are like moving, if you're like new to Atlanta and you're moving here, if you have a car, you need to like utilize that. They have Postmates that you can do. Postmates is a food delivery service. You can make easy $30 to $50 to $60 in half a day. So, you know, just add that up in your head. You know, that could be a good amount of money, you know, if you do it weekly while you're looking for a stable job. You can do Uber if you have that qualifications. You can do Lyft. Uber and Lyft peak hours are at 5 a.m. So you really got to be, that's like a job. You really got to get up and, you know, get to it. Also, like a lot of side jobs. So like, you know, go and do like other food deliveries like Pizza Hut, you know, Grubhub deliveries, you know, apply for those places because those are other places that are really fast because they don't really care what experience you got, girl. As long as you got a car and a license, you deliver this food. And it may not be a lot of money, but it's something that gets you off your feet. Other places that's like always hiring. Some people like sleeping, like Target and Walmart. Target and Walmart are always hiring, and they pay. I think Walmart is 11 or 10 or 11, and Target is 12 or 13. So like, you know, just, you know, you need to go into these places. Family Dollar always hiring, and I know these are like places that y'all don't want to work at, but seriously, like y'all just like stop being bougie. I had to. Other things, you know, like a bottle girl or anything like that. Those places where you go and you try to apply for like as a bottle girl or like a cocktail waitress or whatever the case may be inside of a nightclub or a strip club or something like that. You need to put your best face forward, and I literally mean your best face. Beat your face. Your hair better be slicked down, done, and you gotta have on something that's really, really cute and reveals your body. Not reveals, I'm sorry. Shows off your curves, basically. So if you got like nice boobs or whatever, you can wear a low-cut shirt with your boobs out, or like, you know, showing just a little bit with some, you know, jeans that make your booty look nice. Just showing off your curves. Like if you go in there with your business casual look on, you ain't finna get the job because at the end of the day, most bottle girls here in Atlanta and everything like that, they wear like onesies. They want to see how you look. Don't come in there with a onesie on now. Like, you know, still be very business casual about it. But, you know, wear something that shows off your body and put your best face forward. Restaurants are usually always hiring, so my best bet is to go to a restaurant. And also go on Google and just start Googling job fairs. I feel like job fairs are really, really good for people that are trying to find a good job. Like if you go there, they'll be hiring for like Chick-fil-A. They'll be hiring for, you know, airport jobs and stuff like that, which are really good. Airport jobs are really good. That's another thing. Apply for airport jobs. Go on your the website, and it'll be like a list of jobs that you can apply for at the airport. Airport jobs are really hard to get into. So that's why I'm recommending the job fair, because the job fair connects you directly with the airport without having to go through all of that extraness. So, and also just Google. Like if you just Google stuff, bro, like it's gonna pop up. I can Google some stuff right now and just like search like waitress jobs, or like it's easy. Just search it, like for real. Like just search it, y'all. I feel like people sleep on Google, or they think that it's not really gonna give you no results, but just type in Google like waitress and jobs or everything, and sometimes you'll see where it'll be like email me your resume, and you feel like that's not legit, but most of the time it is legit. Some companies are just startup companies, or I don't know, some companies just don't have the website part, like applying online. They want you to send them the resume, and then they'll email you back and everything like that. Another thing that you can do, you can go through a temp agency. It's a bunch of temp agencies here in Atlanta. It's so many, and based on the county that you're in, I think they have one for every county. They can help you get jobs too. Their job is to get you a job. When you go on online to some of them, you can go ahead and apply online, and then like literally as soon as you're done applying, most of the time they'll have the company's number listed, and you can call them literally right away. It has the person you need to contact, the name, the phone number, and sometimes the email as well. So go through the temp agencies too. Go through every single last one of the temp agencies. Goodwill here also has career fairs that they be doing too. My job that I used to work at in Baltimore, they host career fairs with Goodwill. I think like once a week, I think, and it's a security job, and they pay pretty good. They pay, I think it starts at like 11. Don't forget the temp agencies. The temp agencies are really, 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 really good. Some of them are temporary, but once your contract is up, they'll just find you another job. And most of the jobs that they find you are really good. You tell them what you want to do. You can say call center. Most of the call centers start you off at 10. Sometimes it'll be 15. You know, it depends on the job, but they'll get you some good jobs. Another thing that you can do just for extra cash or whatever, they got them little charging things to charge them little scooters. You can do that. You can be a nanny. It's a whole website on being a nanny. They run a background check on you, and then once you come back clear, you can go ahead and start looking at some of the families and requesting for an interview and everything, so you can get to know them. And nannies get paid really, really good. They'll tell you your price point, they'll tell you the hours in the description before you even apply with them and everything. So dog walkers is another thing that's to get you some good cash. Just a quick rundown of some jobs that I know are hiring here in Atlanta. Juicy Crab is always hiring in Camp Creek, but I'm sure they're hiring in all of the other locations. Family Dollar is hiring. Maggiano's, something like that, they're hiring too. It's a new startup company called a call center that's running through one of the temp agencies. I think they're starting at $15 an hour. It's through a temp agency, but I'll leave them in the description box down below. Just apply and call. That's my thing for y'all. Apply and then call, or apply and then go in person. Apply and take action. Don't just apply and think they're just gonna send you something or call you. No, apply and then go. Apply and then go. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope this was helpful for y'all. If I know of any other jobs that are hiring, I'll leave them down below. But again, don't hesitate to DM me on Instagram so I can help y'all out. I'll try my best to help y'all out. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Good luck on y'all job search.